Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 10 Insider video. My name's Ed, and in this video I want to show those people that are new to Windows 10 how to go back a folder using command prompt if you are using it to do stuff. So you may be wondering what I'm talking about. So if I had to launch command prompt from scratch, you can right click on your start button and then click command as admin. And you see that it defaults to the System32 folder. Now, if I wanted to go back one folder, I can do a cd ... and you see that I've actually moved up one folder. Sorry about that, I was busy updating my sticky notes in the background. So cd ... will take you back a folder. So if I had to go cd ... again, I'm back at the root of C. Now, if that's where you want to be, we can go back to Windows System32, for example, and if you want to go straight to the root of C, you can just type cd / and it'll take you straight there. If you're like me that works in multiple folders doing installations, for example, and you want to go back, it's easier obviously to use the ... to go back to a previous folder and then to run your installations or to use your files. I use command prompt PowerShell. PowerShell, same thing. You can go back one folder or up one folder to where you want to be. So just a quick tip on how to use the cd ... function in command prompt, and then also using cd /. Thank you very much for watching.